Common factor, example 1. Very straightforward problem. 3x plus 12. What number and or letter is common to both terms? I hope you can see that the number 3 is the highest common factor. So if we take out 3 from both terms, 3 times what would give me 3x? 3 times x plus 3 times 4 would give me 12. Example 2. Something a bit more complicated. What about 15a minus 35b? Well, we don't have a letter that's common to both terms, but we do have the number 5. 5 times what will give me 15a? 5 times 3a minus 5 times what will give me 35b? 5 times 7b. Example 3, what about something like this? A squared minus 2a. Well, the letter A is common to both terms. A times what gives me a squared? A times a minus a times 2 will give me the 2a at the end. It is possible to have a letter and a number common factor. I hope you can see that the number 7 is common to both terms and that the letter B is common. So 7b is our highest common factor. 7b times what will give me 14ab? Well, 7 times 2 will give me the 14, and a times b will give me ab. 7 times 3 will give me 21, and b times b will give me b squared. We can extend the common factor type of problem to 3 terms. This is pretty straightforward. You can see that the letter A is common to all 3 terms. So B minus C plus E. Example 6, perhaps the last example. Reasonably straightforward, but it sometimes causes problems. V squared plus V. Well, the letter V is common to both terms. V times what will give me V squared? V times V, and V times 1 will give me V. It's this 1 here that sometimes causes the problem.